We're back with Boris Golubovich of TE Connectivity, and we're talking about CPRI and digital DAS. Boris, so far Alcatel-Lucent is the one original equipment maker that has opened up the CPRI interface to you. Can you just give us a little bit of information about your history working with that company?
We have a very close collaboration on various technology aspects with Alcatel-Lucent. And one of them is the CPRI interface, where we got together and developed a way of connecting an Alcatel-Lucent baseband unit with our DAS system. And these are very close engineering activities between our team and the Alcatel-Lucent team. And it takes some time, but it is a great experience, and we are very excited seeing it come together and being received in the market as it's being received with such positive accolades.
And what do you think motivated Alcatel-Lucent to sort of give you the keys to the kingdom like that?
Well, it's a logical extension of taking a single band radio head and providing an operator with a choice in certain application to use a multi-band and multi-radio technology offering. And we are really here to make our customers successful, and as such, this was a win-win situation across the board.
Do you think others may follow?
I can't speak for others, but we are very happy that we have gotten start with Alcatel-Lucent, and we were the first one to introduce it in the market.
Great. And do you see your competitors moving in this direction, trying to follow what you're doing?
Good ideas get often copied, so I would not be surprised to do so. But for us, this is only the beginning. We look at our collaboration with Alcatel-Lucent and the fact that we have a CPRI interface at the beginning of a road of using DAS systems as part of the HETnet environment, as an opening to using DAS as an integral part of the core network for distributing radio signals, and that the next opportunities will come from the CRAN type of applications that evolving, and we don't really know exactly to what end, but having this all digital connection all the way from the core network to the radio is really an enabling part.
Okay, well that was going to be one of my next questions, was about your outlook for CRAN. So do you have anything more to share about that?
I think there's two things to it. Is one, having a digital interface all the way to the radio head opens up a seamless communication and control path throughout the network. So there's many possibilities that one can take from there. There will be initially probably small steps that are probably going to be less exciting from a purely technological point of view, but it's the beginning of a development path that will address multiple problems in operating the network. And I think fundamentally speaking, it's all about reducing the total cost of ownership from an operating complexity of the network, and having that become one network, one sort of big cloud, will be the future. And we have seen some of that in sort of the terrestrial networks, the IP networks, and we will see similarities being applied to the radio network.
All right, thank you, Boris.